2 decades of India have been made possible by the huge contributions from employees we have hired who are led by the desire to deconstruct, create, and innovate on behalf of our customers. From the very beginning, Amazon has been an early proponent of technologies such as AI, ML, Alexa, cloud, and many more. Today, at the first Career Day event in India, we have the pleasure of bringing some fellow Amazonians to discuss a few areas they are working on these technologies that is impacting businesses and consumers alike. I now have three panelists with me. I will go around and introduce them. First is Nikhil Rasivasya. He's a senior manager with the Applied Sciences team in Amazon India. Nikhil has published several papers and also has received the Best Paper Award in Asia Multimedia 2010. At Amazon, Nikhil's team is responsible for leveraging ML to tackle problems in the areas of catalog quality, shopping experience, and product design insights. My second panelist is Deepa Balakrishnan. She's a senior manager with the Alexa Experience team. Deepa leads the India Customer Engagement Charter for Amazon Alexa, the voice service that powers Amazon's Echo and Fire TV products. She and her team work to drive awareness of what Alexa can do to customers, create new engaging experiences, and provide a defect free, delightful voice experience that customers enjoy. My third panelist is Kanishka Agarwal. He's part of the public sector organization in AWS India, and he heads India and South Asia for the service desk. At Amazon, Kanishka works very closely with public sector, central and state government, education, health sectors, not-for-profit organizations, travel, and a bunch of PSUs to drive AI at scale for citizen impact. Thank you, Nikhil, Deepa, and Kanish for joining us for this discussion. With digital taking a center stage in our lives in this new normal, access to technology has become an essential today. Deep customizers, enabled by cutting edge technologies, have become critical in order to design an enhanced and value added customer experience. This brings to me my first question to you, Nikhil. As the ability to deliver more and more sophisticated digital experiences has evolved over a period of time, the expectation and the demand from the customers have also gone the same way up, isn't it? From brands they engage with across retail, media and entertainment, travel, hospitality, and many more. Can you tell us how ML has come to play such a central role at Amazon?
You're right, Anil. Machine learning today has become a household phrase, and at Amazon, we are indeed using machine learning to help deliver highly personalized experiences. This is resulting in improvements in both customer engagement and satisfaction. For instance, consider the diversity of online shoppers in India. There are more than 600 million people online in the country with varying degrees of expertise to shop online. They use diverse range of mobile devices, experience fluctuating speeds due to congested towers or tower switching, etc., etc. So we have deployed models to predict customers who are on a slow or a spotty network based on criteria like device characteristics, cell tower information, and the latency of the last request, and so on. So for such customers, we provide an adaptive experience and serve streamlined pages with a lower number of widgets that are easier to navigate. Search is another area. It's the single biggest facilitator of product discovery for a customer at Amazon. Here, key challenges ML is helping with include understanding the query semantics, segmenting queries, identifying phrases and brand mentions in the query, correcting spell errors, supporting colloquial usages like juta, classifying the query into categories, and so on. Our search ranking algorithms display relevant products while concurrently optimizing multiple other objectives. For example, delivery speed, the quality of the product, the price competitiveness, etc. Besides, machine learning solves common problems like popularity bias, which is when a customer is merely shown the most popular product versus what is relevant for them, and a cold start problem, which is when the system has no user item or content history. So it's not able to make the right judgment calls, which dilutes the customer experience and their ability to discover new items or new content in the catalog. Similarly, in the Amazon app, to make selection accessible in vernacular languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and Malayalam, we have built statistical and neural machine translation models to automatically translate large volumes of product content. As a result, today, when a customer visits Amazon.in, each customer sees their own Amazon. Not only text, but to adapt Alexa, which is what a lot of customers today engage with and enjoy using. We wanted Alexa to operate in Hindi. So to interact in Hindi, we have created extensive data in the form of raw speech from multiple speakers. Another factor which has enabled machine learning to reach masses is the distributed and scalable architecture to train and deploy ML models.
Okay, thanks, Nikhil. Deepa, coming to you, how is Alexa actually helping customers interact more intuitively using the voice?
I think the most natural interface for us to use and as a child is our voice, right? So it's making the most complex things really, really simple when you can just ask for help. And Alexa is sort of the future in fundamentally changing and improving the way. And voice just removes a lot of the barriers that are there to technology. As Nikhil was talking about just a little bit ago, we are seeing that shift within the Amazon shopping app today. We have customers on the app who use their voice to make purchase experience easier. People are searching and learning more about products. They're navigating to the pages that they want to, finding deals, making bill payments, all much, much faster using voice. And in fact, last Diwali, we had shared that over 1 million customer requests had come to Alexa for support during the prime early access, and we've only been growing since there. Uh, the change that we are seeing, or the intuition, is not just on voice shopping. There are hundreds and thousands of customers all across India who've purchased Echo devices. They are interacting millions of times in English, Hindi, English. Again, as Nikhil talked about the Hindi model training, etc., and asking for a variety of inputs, music, information, jokes, and smart home. And these are not just customers who come to us from the metros like Delhi or Bombay, but these are also from smaller cities like Spiti, Bandi, Gadchiroli. And creating this experience for them has required us to do a lot of in country innovation. The first thing is India is unlike any other country. It's almost it is a subcontinent. So the language changes every 100 kilometers. Each language has accents and idioms. So when we first launched, Alexa needed to understand like the nuances and context of every customer speech that's going to happen, and we had to unlearn a lot of things that we learned from the US. So even if the customer doesn't speak English very well, not very grammatically, you could ask for any regional song and Alexa needed to play it. And that's the moment of customer delight that Alexa would bring. And that's where the intuition comes in, where Alexa is able to understand what the customer is saying, even if the customer is not saying it perfectly and grammatically. And from the time Alexa launched in India, she could understand proper nouns in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada, and so on. And we focus on relentlessly improving this year over year because that's a primary aspect of delight. And it's not complex high tech stuff. There's also a lot of fun ways. We've got brands and developers who want to engage with users via voice with very personalized and immersive engagement experiences. We have over 30,000 skills on Alexa that cover the gamut of the ABCDE consumption: astrology, Bollywood, cricket, devotion. And Alexa is now an integral part of many Indian households. And the voice interactions just lower the barrier to embrace technology across all age groups. And we just want to continue innovating on behalf of our customers to make Alexa more relevant and useful and intuitive.
Thanks, Deepa.